Welcome. Today we're going to take a look at the PACT strategy. PACT stands for Pioneer Assured Capital Trust. It was designed for people who value capital preservation, predictable cash flow, and long-term planning over speculation and short-term excitement. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through how the strategy works, where the monthly cash flow comes from, and why many participants combine it with other strategies to potentially accelerate growth. Let's begin. So, what exactly is PACT? It stands for Pioneer Assured Capital Trust. It is a structured 36-month strategy designed to combine capital preservation with predictable monthly cash flow and long-term growth potential. Rather than requiring participants to actively trade or manage investments themselves, the strategy follows a predefined framework intended to provide stability, simplicity, and consistency. Think of it less as speculation and more as a long-term financial planning tool. The concept itself is surprisingly simple. First, capital is allocated into the 36-month program. Second, monthly advances begin on the first day of the next month and continue throughout the entire term. Finally, at maturity, the original capital and remaining gain are distributed. 3 steps: simple, structured, and easy to understand. The strategy is designed to accommodate a variety of financial situations and goals. Participation levels begin at $1,000 and increase through several available allocation options up to $50,000. This flexibility allows participants to choose a level that aligns with their own objectives and risk tolerance. One of the defining characteristics is the monthly advance structure. 2% of the projected total gain is advanced every month for 36 months. Using our $50,000 example allocation, that results in $1,000 per month for 36 months. The remaining projected gain is distributed at maturity. At the end of the 36-month term, the original capital and the remaining gain are distributed. Continuing with our example allocation, that means $50,000 of original capital plus $14,000 of remaining gain. The final distribution totals $64,000. Combined with the advances already received, the total projected gain reaches 100%. The example we've discussed reflects only the base objective of doubling the original allocation. Depending on future company performance and business activity, additional upside may be declared. Those possibilities should be viewed as potential outcomes rather than expectations. This is where the strategy becomes especially interesting. Some participants choose to put their monthly advances to work rather than letting them sit idle. One strategy creates cash flow, another seeks to grow it further. That's the idea behind the double dip strategy. PACT is generally better suited for retirees, pre-retirees, conservative investors, and individuals seeking predictable income rather than short-term speculation. It may also appeal to families looking for long-term planning solutions and internationally minded investors seeking diversification. Above all, it is designed for people who value patience over speed and structure over uncertainty. The PACT strategy can be summarized in 5 simple steps: allocate capital, receive monthly advances, put those advances to work if you choose, receive your capital back together with the remaining portion of the projected gain at maturity. Then decide whether to continue building upon the foundation you've already created. As with any financial strategy, it is important to understand the risks involved. PACT is not a guaranteed investment, and future outcomes may differ from historical examples or illustrations shown in this presentation. Market conditions, business performance, and other factors can affect results. This presentation is intended for educational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Always perform your own due diligence. PACT combines capital preservation, predictable cash flow, and long-term planning into a single structured strategy. If you'd like additional information, please contact the person who shared this video with you or visit CryptoCaRLo.ai. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.